Welcome class 1. So today we will start with a poem which is given in your book. See New Mulberry 1 and open your book at page number 24. Okay, and today we will do the poem. We'll read the poem Itsy Bitsy Spider. You all like poem? Yes, I know that all of you like poems. So before starting the poem, let us do an energizer. I know you all love to do energizers, isn't it? Chalo, all of you stand up, get ready. We'll do bim bam. Okay? Yes, start. Bim bam, berry berry bam, berry bam, berry bam, bim bam. Faster. Bim bam, berry berry bam, berry bam, berry bam, bim bam. Bim bam, berry bam, berry bam, berry bam, bim bam. Right? Done? Shall we start? Okay, fine. Take out your book. So, your book is New Mulberry and we'll do the poem Itsy Bitsy Spider and the page number is 24. All of you will read with me. Okay. Itsy Bitsy Spider. Poem page number 24. Ready? Okay. Let us start. So you must have seen spider, all of you. Do you have any idea? Have you all seen? Yes, some of us are very scared, isn't it? Scared of spiders. Okay, now it's about a spider and we know that spider moves on the wall, isn't it? Most of us have seen it. So spiders, they moves on wall at our house, isn't it? So it's about a spider that who climbs up a spout. Now what is spout? Spout means it's a pipe. Okay, spout is a pipe which is connected from the roof of the house to the ground. Okay, so that the rainwater that gets stuck on the roof, it has to go down, isn't it? Otherwise the house will get damaged, isn't it? So in every building you will find a pipe, a spout through which the rainwater comes to the ground. It passes to the ground. Okay. From the roof to the ground. Okay. Now let us start. So all of you know how a spider looks like. So the poem is like this. Itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and was the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. So how you write? See this picture you have to see, huh? Itsy bitsy, this is spider. Okay. Climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and was the spider down. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain and itsy bitsy spider climbed out the spout again. Okay, so how we'll read, how we'll recite the poem? We recite the poems, isn't it? So, itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and was the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Done. Have you understood? So there was a spider. Okay. So its name was Itsy Bitsy. Okay. So it climbed up the water spout. This is the water spout. This is the pipe through which water from the roof, which stores on the roof of a house, it comes down to the ground. So this spider, it was trying to climb up the spout, the pipe. It wanted to go up to the roof. Then what happened? Suddenly it started raining and down came the rain. Means started raining and the rainwater washed the spider, and again the spider came down to the ground. Okay. Thereafter it couldn't climb up because of the rain. Okay. And then rainwater, because the rainwater washed the spider down through the pipe again to the ground. Then out came the sun. When the rain stopped, then the sun came out. Okay, the weather becomes sunny. Then what happened? And dried up all the rain. When the sun came, then all the rainwater, they evaporated and they all got dry. Okay, and then the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Then again it tried to climb up the spout. So it's about a spider, isn't it? Do you like it? Yes, you have to memorize the poem. Okay, and see down at the bottom you can find the meaning of spout. Children, first of all, you will write the name of the poem in the CW copy, right? Then write the word meaning. Okay, spout meanings. What is the meaning of spout? A pipe, isn't it? It's given here. So you will write the word meaning of spout. Then you write the poem. Those who can draw, they can draw also this picture. Okay, draw the picture and then write down the poem and memorize it also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.